Hello guys, what's up? So today it's a new vlog. In today's vlog, I'll be taking you guys OKRIKA shopping, and by OKRIKA I mean thrift shopping. So I want to take you guys to the biggest and the best thrift markets here in Abuja. Like hands down the best market here in Abuja. And here's the thing, it's not just thrift items that are sold there, you also get new items as well too. But then because the competition is so much, because so many people come from far and wide, like the market is full, you get to buy things for very good price, really affordable price. Like you even get farmers that come in with their farm produce that they harvested that very day to come sell in the market. So you get things fresh, you get things new, you get things the market is just bomb. And let me give you guys a quick rundown on how market system is operated here in Abuja. Every single day of the week is a market day. How sweet is that? How sweet is that? Just tell me. Every single day of the week is a market day, from Monday to Sunday. Okay, Mondays are just a market. Every Monday, let me adjust my cap first of all. Mondays are just a market days. Tuesdays are for Karimo market, as well as Thursdays. Tuesdays and Thursdays are for Karimo market. Fridays are for I can't remember the name of this market, but it's along Airport Road. Before Lube or after Lube, it's along Airport Road. And then Saturdays, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. And then Sundays are Maraba market days. So there is a market day every week. So whenever you find yourself free, like okay, I'm free today, I'm not doing this today, I'm not doing that today, and then you need to purchase some stuff, be it new or quicker, thrift items, you just find yourself in any of these areas that hold your market days. On that particular day you're free. So you see how beautiful it is. And if not that, house rent is really on the high side here in Abuja. Abuja is like one of the best places to live, because then food items are affordable. Fruits are scattered. Fruits are everywhere. Food items basically are everywhere. Really affordable. We enjoy that very well. Our road networks are good, like the best basically, like no competition anywhere, any other state or city or whatever in Nigeria here. Our road networks are the best. So feeding, roads, lights, we have good lights compared to other places. Good light. The only downside is just the cost of accommodation. So I'm not buying so much, I'm just picking one or two stuffs, and then I also want to show you guys the market together. It's enough of my talking. I think I've said so much, I'm talking too much. Let's get going guys, let's go shopping. Alex, my friend, is really shy. Anyways, I pleaded with her to, escort me to the market, because she has like few people who she knows that sell really nice stuffs. And it's easier that way when you know people that, sell the kind of things you want already. So you just walk in, pick what you want, and leave the market.
So come by for you snap.
He's where? Okay. On yellow.
115. No be there.
Those guys are. We're going for a clock. What's the girl wearing?
Which kind of thing is?
The other place.
Okay.
This one that you saw. This one is things are Korea.
Okay. No, I think I want it.
So here we're walking to one of the vendors' space, and according to Alex, okay, well, not according to Alex, because I got to see them for myself. The guy sells first grade UK tops and gowns, and when I say first grade, I mean like they're still in very good condition and they've not really been used per se that much. You get that kind of stuff. So we went there. I didn't really get to get any footage from looking at the clothes, trying them out and all that sengemenge. But then there was one of the tops that I actually picked, like 4 tops. Yes, so it was one of the tops I wore to work the next week, and it really looked nice. It's towards the end of the video, like I have a clip showing myself on the top towards the end of the video. So if you wait till the end of the video, you're going to see me on that top. It was really nice, guys, believe me, it was really nice. I left the house without eating, and after a little while I got so hungry. In fact, I wasn't seeing clearly anymore, and thankfully there was this lady that was selling this nice variety of swallow. And if you guys have seen my get to know me video, you know I am a big fan of swallow. Like, I love swallow. Here it was this, is this semo or food that I had here? I can't remember. But then there was ofen salad, which is white soup, and there was also one other soup I can't remember, but the look of the white soup that I saw other people eating was just too tempting, so I had to request for that myself too. Guys, believe me, this meal was delicious, as in out of it. Honestly, just the aroma alone itself had my neck turning, had so many people's neck turning. And if I'm going to tell you guys the truth, so many of us came in here, like many people came into this person's shop space to just sit and eat. And at the end, the woman that sold the food had to give the sales girl a plate of free food for accommodating us and letting us stay there to eat our food. It was delicious.
I got off the wires. When I close my eyes, disconnected and tired.
One thing about OKRIKA or thrift items is that you need to wash them thoroughly or clean thoroughly before you get to use them. If it's a clothing item, of course you'd have to wash it thoroughly. And if you choose, depending on what suits you, you could either clean or wash, depending on you.
It's just fired.
Uche bingo na yani go buy. Uche bingo na yani buy. They just left here 15 minutes ago. Something grandma, look at my hand.
So here's one of the tops I got from the UK thrift guy. The one I said I was going to show towards the end of the video. Well, this is it. I think it's nice, but then I would like to know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. What do you think about the top? Anyways, guys, we've come to the end of this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I love you all as always. Bye bye.